This is a variegated Sansevieria trifasciata, aka snake plant. Let's propagate this using leaf propagation method. For more information on Sansevieria leaf propagation, click link in the description below or click the thumbnail at the end of this video. Let's start. Cut a leaf with a sharp tool. The yellow part is the variegation. So when a leaf don't have these yellow lines, it's not variegated. Use a fast draining soil. Secure the leaf so as not to fall over. Remember, the leaf will stay here for a long time, so tamper it firmly. Place the leaf in a bright location and don't expose it to direct sunlight yet. After 1 week, it's time to water. When watering, it is recommended to water it full until it drips down the bottom hole. After that, place it in a bright location, away from direct sunlight for about 4 weeks or so. When it reaches 6 weeks, you can slowly introduce it to direct sunlight. Water only when the soil is totally dry. You can ensure that the soil is totally dry by dipping your finger in the soil to feel if it's still wet or cold. After 9 months, let's see the result. This is the variegated mother leaf. It has grown 3 new plants. As we can see, all new plants are not variegated. They don't have yellow lines. If we take a closer look here, all pups are not variegated. Yellow lines in the leaves are not present, which means variegation is lost. Let's compare here the variegated mother plant and the leaf propagated pups. The mother plant have lines along the leaves, while the new plants don't have variegation or yellow lines along the leaves. Conclusion: leaf propagation does not grow variegated plants, even if the mother plant is variegated. If you want variegated pups, wait for the mother plant to have babies. It will produce variegated plants. Did you know that Sansevieria trifasciata purifies air by absorbing toxins at home and absorbs carbon dioxide at night, making it great for bedroom, great for homes and offices? But remember, its leaves are poisonous if ingested, so keep it away from children. Thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe, and like. Happy succulents gardening!
Yeah.